my dreams come
Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll babies.
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi, 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 hi.
Hi, bye. Hi, bye. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today I am doing a one of my, which I haven't done for a long time. It is a series where I take a favorite wig of mine and then I get it in another color to see if it was the wig or the color that I love the most. And this one I'm doing is an oldie but a goodie, and I'm so excited to share this one with you because she's very inexpensive and she's gorgeous. And this was literally one of my earlier wigs. So I've had her for a couple years now and I have worn her quite a bit. So who are we talking about? We are talking about Model Jestic. This color right here is OM430P. There is a full review up on her, so I won't go into like Deets or anything because there's Deets in there. But today I got Miss Jestic in this color, which I feel like really goes with my dress. So I'm excited for that. And this is the color BO4340. Okay. And Jestic is a lace parting wig. She's not a lace front, so there's no lace to cut. And she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. I am going to be doing a separate review, but I am going to be using this, which is the InStyler straightening. Yeah, straight up mini straightening brush. And so I will film the review part of that. I've used it quite a bit, but I'll film the review part of that after this, so look for that. But you will see me using that. I haven't worn this wig in quite a while, so I did use this Bonfi natural oil-free wig shine spray for dull dry human hair and synthetic wigs. There is a review up on that, and I think that it worked quite well on this one to give it back a little bit of luster. This is a yaki textured wig, so it does pretty much stay where you put it. The only other thing I would say is it's not super hot, but it's definitely not like a summer wig, and I think with this color it'd be gorgeous for fall, so that's really exciting. So I scooped up this new Jestic from Glamour Trust for just $17.60. Really? So let me go ahead and put her on, and you'll see me using the straightening comb. Then I'll come back and I'll do a side-by-side too so we can see both of the colors, and then I'll come back and give my thoughts as to whether I just loved the color of this or if I still love the wig in this new color. So let's get to that and then I'll be back.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. sleep. say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Tell you for sure that tonight will be different. I promise you'll understand. As the moon rises, the dark sets upon us, and then I will take your hand. Tell you that I want you, and that I need you. Tell me that you understand. And I will tell you that I want you, and that I need you. Make me the happiest man.
I'm back and I have her on. I definitely still really love this wig. It's very easy. It did have some permatease here, which I had forgotten about, because this one I think I pretty much flattened down. And over time, yeah, it's still there, but it's definitely less than it is on here. I don't hate it. I feel like I feel a little bit about permatease differently than I used to. So, you know, our preferences change, which is another reason why I wanted to do this. I absolutely love the color. This is definitely like a number 2 root. This is, let's see. This might be slightly lighter, but they're definitely dark rooted, and then this is a lighter color brown for sure. I absolutely love these orange copper pieces going through. I think it really, really goes with my dress. I used some of the baby hairs you could see in the video of me getting her together, but I think this is a great wig. Again, I just think I don't know, I almost think I like this color better just because, I don't know, I like things that are a little bit different in my collection. Not that that's gorgeous, but I'm glad I did try this one. I'm still really happy with her. I think with the lace parting wig, she does have really nice baby hair, so you can still lay that down and make it look natural. And yeah, the texture is really great. I just think that this is definitely more of a cooler weather wig. I'm in the middle of summer when I'm filming this, so I don't know that it would work for summer, but that is what I have for you. If you have this wig or have thoughts about this wig, go ahead and put this down and be like, yeah, so pretty. I really like this. I really, really do. Go ahead and put that down below. If you would like to see more Model wig reviews, the playlist will be down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please do so if you have. Thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!